Hey, how you guys doing? Come on in, come on in. I'm so glad you guys got to see around. We're doing a little tour here, right? Over here we got the personal welder. Yeah, I've been in this garage for a little bit. It's kind of like the workspace. Kind of make a lot of cool things, obviously. We got the printer. This thing really hauls all my work for me. It's called the Bamboo Lab P1S. Totally recommend. Over here we have one of my creations. We got Withered Foxy from Five Nights at Freddy's. I've been working on some stuff over here. This is my airbrushing over here, so we get some painting done. You know the gist. Got our hand unit, full display. Wonderful little creation I made. It's got full rotation. Beautiful display. Over here is my resin studio. So I kind of do a lot of resin printing for my smaller parts and whatnot. Besides that, over here we got my workbench. This is kind of where I do all my grinding and all that kind of stuff for metal work. Over here we got some. We got something to show you guys. It's pretty cool. You got to keep it on the everyone's got to know kind of thing, you know. This right here. This is the Mangle from Five Nights at Freddy's. Now this is a full costume. It's a full puppet. Truly one of a kind. Can't get anything like it. Craftsmanship was really perfected on this one. Yeah, really proud of it. Besides that, we got a fridge. Got the rest of it. Yeah, that's the place, you know. We got a bunch of storage down there. But besides that, that's pretty much it. Make our stuff, and make our stuff. You know what I mean? I know you do.